everyone, I hope you're looking forward to Christmas, and it seems a good idea to work out some designs for Christmas cards that are going to be really quick and easy to paint. Now I use these cards which you just fold in half. They come with an envelope and I actually paint onto this cardy paper, and see it's got a deckled edge, but what I like to do is I will fold that over, and so it's very random. I can get quite a lot of cards out of that. I just rip that paper and then I will fold that again and again, and you can see you've got these perfect size pieces to fit onto your card. So that will fit on like that. That's just perfect. So shall we begin with the painting? Robin series of our cool Christmas cards, and they're just so easy to do, but just a little bit different, so that you've got different cards. Now I think this one is contemplating something, so that's what I've called him. And I'm going to start off with some lovely cadmium red, and we're just going to pop that in down to his chest, over the beak bit, sort of comes out a little bit, and then with our intensifying it, because I'm sort of trying to keep them all the same colours so that they work as a set. And that's quite dark there, and if that runs, that's okay. A little bit there. It's got two lovely feathers that are coming out, and then I'm going to go for my rich sepia, and sort of like that. And I think I might lift that one a little bit just to make it again a little bit more interesting. And don't want that brown to run too much. It just comes up like that. And dark comes right down, but not that far. Let's just take that out a little bit. And using the very small brush, the detailer, I'm mixing the rich sepia and the Prussian blue together, and we're just going to pop in that lovely little beak. It sort of starts inside the red there, and then the eye, so out there, leg comes inside on that side. Now you can only see one leg on there, but because I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting, I've just popped in the other leg that will be there, and then just a little bit of dark for whatever he's standing on. And so I think once we've done that bit, it starts to look a little bit more realistic. He's really cute. Right, using my rake brush, the large one, I've dipped that into some rich sepia, quite thick, and I want to get these sort of fluffy type feathers, and it's ideal for that. It's got those lovely sort of doubled hairs, and it just works so beautifully. And then that one's sort of fluffing out there, and we'll make his tail fluff out. Now he's showing his feathers everywhere. And then with a smaller rake, I'm just going to use some alizarin crimson and do the same sort of thing. Let's make him sort of quite fluffy. And maybe, I know there's no red up there, but I think that might be quite nice to want a little bit of snow on a branch, keep it all sort of consistent, so that intense violet can run through here, just like the snow. But we've kept it really, really simple. Again, a couple of feathers flying, he's ruffled them here, so maybe one up there. And some snow. So again, our blue snow, some bits of big blobs and some are tiny little dots. Make them varied like real snow. It sort of fills up that paper, and when you put it on the card it does look quite nice when you've done this. I see how quickly these come together. I'm using my little brush and some white gouache, nice and thick, and I'm going to just put a little bit of detail in the eye just with the tip of the brush. A bit of highlight. It's got a little bit of highlight there. And I think it might be quite nice to put the shape of that feather in again. Luckily a bit of it stayed white, that's even better. And some snowdrops, or flakes of snow. I'm not going to paint flowers all over him, are we? And like we did the others, some big bits, some tiny little dots. There we go, and I think he's ready to stick on our card. Right, very easy, just our card that's folded over, and then I'm going to get some of this copy decks, which is just so easy to use, and I'm going to put some copy decks along the top there, along the bottom, and just place that onto our card. So place it a bit lower down so I can put some writing on the top. Press that down, and then with my elegant marker I'm just going to write Happy Christmas in my best handwriting, which might be a problem. There we go, another card finish for our series. So can you see that? So I hope you all have a really happy Christmas and that you have lots of hand painted cards.